What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 25 cents every 10 seconds now. Now, this method is absolutely free to start, and it's available worldwide. And all you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection. Now, before I get into this method, as you can see, I create a lot of videos about making money online, and it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, also, please type hashtag the grind is real in the comment section so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm about almost 300 subscribers away. Help a brother out. Help me get there. And you can be the next winner of some free money. Also follow me on Instagram. It's at appgrind. That's going to also increase your chances to win the free money. And one more thing, guys. Subscribe to my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. I'm also giving away money over there. The link to the channel is going to pop up in this video somewhere here at the top. Click on that, go over there, subscribe, check out my videos, like all my videos, and get a chance to win that free money. All right, guys, without further ado, please watch this all the way to the very end, because I'm about to jump into this right now, and it's going to be very important that you watch this all the way to the very end. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm in Google Play Store, and it's going to be an app. So it's going to be an app that you're going to download, and you're going to make this money. So the name of this app is 1Q. Now, I've talked about it a while back, but it's been a while. So I want to go ahead and bring this back up because it's some good way to make some quick money. I know it's real low amount, 25 cents, but that can add up because what you're going to be doing on here is answering some questions. It's kind of like a survey type of app, but it's real fast. It's real fast question, real quick. It's not like some other surveys where it's, a lot of questions and it takes all day to complete. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit about this app. So 1Q pays you or a charity you choose an instant 25 cents every time you answer a simple question. Seriously, it's that simple. Companies as you get paid instantly to your PayPal account. So you got to have a PayPal account, guys. And let's see what else we'll read on here. Let's go ahead and read where it said how it works. So companies all over the world are interested in your opinion or in simply sending you an offer based on who you are and or where you are. And our revolutionary system allows them to send those questions or offers directly to you. So it says, of course, you can stop at any time, but why would you stop? Why would you at 25 cents for 10 seconds? Like I said in my title, 10 seconds, guys. No joke. So let's just go right here, and I'm going to show you how it looks inside the app. So it says here, get paid to share your opinion. Get market research questions straight to your mobile phone. And this is how it looks inside. This will be your balance. It shows you how much you earn. Here are the questions. You see some simple questions like, what is your favorite pizza topping? Let's see. Let's go to the next one here. Okay. Now this is how the actual question is going to look. Where do you get your morning coffee? So you'll just pick one and submit. And then the next one, then it's just showing which one you pick. Like if you pick local coffee shop, submit. And then that's it. This is the end of the survey. They say, congratulations. You just got paid 25 cents to your PayPal account. It's that simple, guys. I'm telling you, it's that simple. That's why I wanted to talk about this app again, because it's very, very simple to get 25 cents. And that, I don't even know if that was 10 seconds. Might have been 8 seconds. So let's scroll down here and look at the rating. Now, the 5 stars is 4.3. Like I always say, that if it's 4 and over, it's a very, very good app, because there's very few apps out there that have over 4 stars. Now let's just read one review here. Let's check it out. Let's read this one, Rebecca. Okay, she says, this app is one of the simplest ways to contribute your opinions regarding any number of topics. It's so easy. Number 1, wait for a notification. Number 2, respond via text or directly through the app. Number 3, collect 50 cents via PayPal. You won't get rich, which is true. You won't get rich. But over time, you can accrue a nice balance over time. So this person likes this app and they're making a little money. They realize they're not going to get rich, but it's still good to do this, make a little money. Over time, it accumulates, and before you know it, you might have $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 in there. You can use that. Anybody can use some extra money, but if you keep doing it, it can probably even grow even larger. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm gonna say about this app. So this is a good app to, especially if you're just starting off and you just want to make some money online. It's a good app for you to get started, guys. So if you have an Android phone, just go here. It's not available. I don't think it's available on Apple, on the iPhone. So if you have an Android phone, you're in luck. Just go here to Google Play and search for 1Q and get started. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And don't forget to type hashtag The Grind Is Real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Help me, guys. Help me get to this 4,000. I'm almost there. Come on, road to 4,000 this month. It's September right now. We're going to make it here. We're going to make it there here in September. All right, family? And please share this all around the internet, on all social media accounts, because I want to help everybody I can to make this money. We all need to be financially free. Only way that can happen if you work for yourself and start making this money online. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, family, grind family, I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys looking at all my videos every time I drop. Please keep doing it, and I'm gonna keep bringing this content and keep giving away this money. One more thing before I go. I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. On there, I talk about making money, building businesses, how to increase your revenue in your business, and just how to become a better person in life so you'll be able to keep growing your business. Because if you're growing as a person, that's going to help you to grow as a business. So I give tips, strategies, habits that I research online, or maybe things that I do myself on a daily basis that is helping me. So go check it out. Click on the link in the description and also in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.